Hi, welcome to Kaizen Code. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily filter the data records and create views in Kintone. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to quickly organize and display only the information you need. Let's get started. First of all, let's open our sample customer database. Now we can see the list of all records, but let's say we only want to display individual customers. To do so, we click on the Filter button to the left above the table, and in the Filter Condition dropdown we choose Customer Type, includes any of, Individual. As for now, let's sort it by registration date in ascending order. After applying the changes, we can now see that the data is displayed according to our conditions. Please note that if you go to a different screen, the display view will reset. You can save the displayed filter records, in other words, view, if you have permission to manage the app. To do so, click one more time on the Filter button, click Save. Enter the name for your filter, and then press OK. This will create a new view that other users in your system will see too. If you have no permission to manage the app, you still can save the views using the bookmark feature instead. Click on the star-shaped icon, then click on the plus button, enter the name for your bookmark, and press OK. The bookmarks are only available for you, so the other users won't see it. You can also rearrange the records in ascending or descending order by clicking on the column name. For example, we previously sorted our customer lists by registration date in ascending order. Clicking on the registration date column name will change it to descending order. We just showed you how to create a list view, but there are also other types of views in Kintone. For example, you can create a calendar or a custom view as well. Let's go back to the main screen of our app. To create a new view or edit an existing view, you will need permissions to manage the app. Click on the gear icon and navigate to the Views tab. Click on the Add New View button. Input the name of the view and choose the type of the view, lists, calendar, or custom view. Please note that if you don't have Kintone administrative permission, the custom view option won't be displayed for you. You can create a list or table view by dragging and dropping fields to the gray area. You can also filter and sort the records before creating a view, similar to how we did a bit earlier. Click Save to apply the changes. Another point to keep in mind is that the view listed on the top will be prioritized, which means it will be the one displayed on the main screen when we open our app. To change the priority, simply drag the desired view to the top. Don't forget to apply the changes by clicking on Update App button. Now let's look closer at the other types of views. The calendar format displays records in the date cells of a calendar. You can use a field with a date or a datetime value to specify the calendar date where a record is displayed. By default, the record number of the corresponding records will be displayed in the date cell, but you can change it in the title field as shown. Custom View allows to use HTML, JavaScript, or CSS to customize your form. If you want more details on how to use Custom View, please refer to the help page. We'll leave all the links below the video. Let's go back to our views list. We can see that we can edit the views, duplicate them, or remove them by clicking on the corresponding buttons. Here we duplicated the contact data view, and let's just edit it a bit. So we're gonna change the name and the filter options. Now we have a separate view for customers that have a C rank in our system. Let's move to record list management. In Kintone's record list view, you can easily adjust column size for better visibility. To do so, simply drag the column's right edge. Be careful, as your changes are saved to a user account and browser, but won't carry over if you switch browsers. You can also reset the changes easily by selecting Reset Column Width in the Options menu. Editing and deleting the records in lists is pretty straightforward. Just click the Edit icon in the far right column, make the changes, and then click Save. While most fields in this mode are editable, fields like attachments or lookups are not. To edit them, you have to go to the specific record. To delete records, click the Delete icon in the far right column. If you want to delete multiple records, you can do that by enabling bulk deletion in the app settings. Find MISC settings and check the Enable Bulk Deletion of Records box. Update app to apply changes, and now you can see bulk delete in the Options menu in the View screen. And there you have it! We've covered the essentials of managing record lists and views in Kintone. Now it's your turn to apply these tools and create efficient, user-friendly lists in your apps.